Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 4 EVS, Chapter 14, Baswa's Farm, Part 2. Fill in the blanks. The first one, Appa planted seeds in the field. Second, the khunti is an iron rod used to dig the soil before planting seeds. Third, Baswa lives in Belvanika village in Karnataka state. Fourth, to have a good crop, it is required to drop right amount of seeds at the right distances. Fifth, weeds grow along with the sprouting onion plants. Say whether true or false. First one, Baswa does not go to school for some days because he has to help Appa sprinkle the seeds. This statement is false. Second, before taking the harvested onion to market, their leaves must be removed. This statement is true. Third, the kurigi is a tool used to extract ripe onions from the soil. This statement is false. The fourth one, Appa takes the harvested onions to the market on a hand cart. This statement is false. Fifth, many weeds in a field will not allow a crop to grow properly. This is true. Answer the following question 1. Why was Baswa's family happy this year? Answer 1. Baswa's family was happy this year because they had a good onion crop. I repeat, Baswa's family was happy this year because they had a good onion crop. Question 2. If the ripe onion crop is not taken out at the right time, what will happen? Answer 2. If ripe onion crop is not taken out at the right time, then the onions will rot and get spoiled under the ground. I repeat, if ripe onion crop is not taken out at the right time, then the onions will rot and get spoiled under the ground. Question 3. Why is it important to remove weeds from the field where the crops are grown? Answer 3. If weeds are not removed from the field, then they will take up all the water and nutrition which is meant for the crop. I repeat, if weeds are not removed from the field, then they will take up all the water and nutrition which is meant for the crop. These weeds are all unwanted plants. We don't want them to grow in the field, so we need to remove them. Question 4. In India, there are usually 2 seasons for growing crops. That is called Rabi and Kharif crop. Find out in which months of the year these seasons fall and which crops in your area are grown in Rabi season and the Kharif season. We have 2 seasons to grow crops. One is mostly in the summers and one is in the winter. So one crop is called the Kharif crop and one is called the Rabi crop. So which crops are grown in these seasons? We need to write that answer. So your answer is the heading we give seasons, then month in which it falls and crop grows. So your first season is Rabi. So when do we grow these Rabi crops? They are grown between November to April. And the crops that are grown in these months are wheat, peas, oats, mustard. Your second is Kharif. These are the Kharif crops which are grown in the month of June to October. And the crops grown in this season are rice, corn, cotton, and sugarcane. So dear students, I hope you have understood these question answers and exercises. So the homework for this part is that you need to write these question answers very neatly in your EVS notebook. So thank you and have a very nice day.